According to latest media reports, the French Defense Ministry and Dassault Aviation are planning to offer Rafale F4 standard, in response to India's upcoming request for proposal for the procurement of 114 fighter jets. Major enhancements will be made to the sensor suite, radar system, Dalios targeting pod, frontal sector optronics system, and the Spectra EW system in the upcoming F4 standard, that will maintain its ability to deter emerging challenges in the future. The M88 engine's computer will also be upgraded to improve fault diagnosis assistance and preventative maintenance. The Rafale F4 standard will also be the first to receive next-generation micro-air-to-air system, and Dassault Aviation has planned 2 developmental stages for the F4 standard, F4.1 in 2023 and F4.2 in 2025. Top experts have said that some of the F4 standard enhancements will be showcased to the Indian Air Force during MMRCA flight tests. Top experts have said that India can also prefer F3R standard with some components of F4 standard to avoid the rise in price. UK Defence Advisor Brigadier Gavin Thompson has said that the UK government is working on a government-to-government framework for defence deals in the future, due to India's preference for such an arrangement. UK is working very hard since April 2019 to get all its departments to get this mechanism, and it has reached the point where it can send this proposal to the Indian government. UK has already invited India to join its Tempest 6th generation fighter jet program, and has also offered a HMS Queen Elizabeth carrier designed for India's 65,000-ton third aircraft carrier. India is seeing an unusually increased movement of Chinese-made agricultural drones from Pakistan to drop payloads inside Indian territory. The best solution can be the American drone gun Mark III, which is an ideal anti-drone system for Indian soldiers at border regions, who are usually the first to spot an enemy drone coming across the border. It has an effective coverage area of 750 meters, and can jam signals from the drone operator, and can even block signals from the American GPS navigation system, Russia's GLONASS navigation system, and Chinese Beidou navigation system, that are mostly used by Chinese-origin UAVs. Russian ambassador to India Nikolai Kudashev has said that Russia has conveyed its concerns to India on multiple occasions over the US-backed quadrilateral group for the Indo-Pacific, and that the introduction of competitive structures will create friction among the countries of the region, as this strategy has completely ignored existence of Russia and China. His comments came 2 days after Russian Foreign Minister strongly criticized the Indo-Pacific initiative, and he called it a divisive approach to disrupt existing regional structures and contain China. India's Foreign Secretary has defended the concept of Indo-Pacific, saying that the concept was not aimed at excluding any country, and was a principled vision. Meanwhile, the US Deputy National Security Advisor Matthew Pottinger has slammed a statement of Russian Foreign Minister, and said that it was a community of countries that respect the rule of law and stand for freedom of navigation in the region.